Hello my dear students and welcome to our tutorial series in Adobe Illustrator. So for this lesson, I'll be showing you how to pan around or navigate on your Adobe Illustrator screen. So panning is very important, especially if you do have different artboards and you want to move from one artboard to another artboard in your document. So there are two methods to do that. First is by using the hand tool or by pressing the shortcut key H and use that to pan around. So I'm clicking now the left button of my mouse while dragging. So that's how you pan. That's how you navigate with all your artboards. Okay, so just click using the left button of your mouse and drag to pan around. Next, if you don't want to use the hand tool or the shortcut key H, you can also use the middle button of your mouse. Okay, so doon sa mismong scroll wheel, kung saan nakapwesto ang scroll wheel, that is also clickable sa inyong mouse. So when you click your scroll wheel, you can pan around, you can navigate sa different artboards mo dito sa screen. Okay, so yun yung two methods to pan around. Okay, so that's how you navigate. So see you at the next video lesson.